Hi everyone, my name is Walter Rowe. I'm a portrait photographer and a Capture One affiliate. If you use my Capture One affiliate link to purchase Capture One products, I do get a small commission. If you like my videos and would like to support my channel, buy me a coffee using the Buy Me a Coffee link. There's also a link for purchasing prints and a link where you can go view my portfolio and even hire me. Today I'm going to show how to use the Dehaze tool to recover dark circles under the eyes and also some blotchiness in skin. It's an unusual use of the Dehaze tool. In this case, we're going to use negative dehaze to ensure that we push tones lighter versus using normal positive dehaze, which darkens tones. Here I have a dehaze layer. You can see by the little looks like a light bulb or sun glow. There's a luminosity mask applied to it. I'm going to zoom in to 100%. I'm going to zoom into 200%. And I'm going to hit the M key so we can expose the mask here, so we can show the mask. And you can see how these little blood vessels here in the skin are in the mask. Due to the luminosity range that I have selected. Notice I've only selected darker tones. I'm preventing it from hitting any of the lighter tones. I only want to lighten darker tones. So in this luminosity mask, in this layer, what I have done is used a manually selected color in the Dehaze tool. I've used a -80 amount for how much I'm going to lighten it, and that combined with the masking will control the colors and how far I push them. If I disable this layer, you can see how the little blood vessels in the nose and the dark circles under the eye are apparent. When I enable the layer, you can see how negative dehaze has erased those, has lightened the circles under the eyes, and has raised the tone of the little blood vessels. And because I had the luminosity mask to prevent lightening lighter tones, it only lightened the darker tones. So the blood vessels are now raised up to be matching with the tone of the skin around them and makes them virtually hidden. This is almost like what you would do with frequency separation, where you're smoothing out color, or if you were using color editor. But here we're using Dehaze with luminosity mask, which makes it a nice, clean, simple. I can get a whole range of tones and moved into a color range that I want, into a tonal range I want. And using the color picker, it influences the color that is rendered as the final product. So I hope this helps show another nice use for Dehaze. I think it makes a really nice difference. If I disable this layer, you can see we have the dark circles under the eyes. You can see there's a little bit of redness in the nose, in the bridge of the nose. And when I enable the layer, you can see that the nose has a nice, smooth evenness to it, that the dark circles under the eyes are mitigated, and that it makes a very nice, pleasing portrait. This is a nice balance to the other use of Dehaze that I reported in a previous video, where you use it for darkening areas to effectively give more depth and dimension to a portrait. So these are two uses of Dehaze that I find to be unusual and unorthodox, but really nice additions in Capture One 21. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to support my channel, buy me a coffee, use my links to buy products. I would appreciate it. I look forward to you joining me next time, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be starting live streaming sessions soon, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.